Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, where I explore the mysteries of the universe and the secrets of ancient wisdom. In today's video, I'm going to challenge one of the most popular and widely accepted theories about the origin and age of the universe, the Big Bang Theory. According to this theory, the universe began with a massive explosion about 13.8 billion years ago and has been expanding and evolving ever since. But is this theory really accurate and complete? Does it explain everything we observe in the cosmos, or is there a better alternative that can account for more phenomena and mysteries? If you are curious to find out more, then keep watching this video till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. The Big Bang Theory is based on several assumptions and observations, such as the redshift of distant galaxies, the cosmic microwave background radiation, the abundance of light elements, and the formation of stars and planets. However, there are also many problems and limitations with this theory, such as the horizon problem, the flatness problem, the singularity problem, the dark matter problem, and the dark energy problem. These problems suggest that there are some gaps and inconsistencies in our understanding of the universe and its history. But what if I told you that there is another way of looking at the universe that can solve these problems and offer a more comprehensive and coherent picture of reality? A way that is not based on modern science alone, but also on ancient science that has been preserved for thousands of years in the sacred texts of India. A way that is not limited by human logic and perception, but also incorporates divine logic and revelation. A way that is not only compatible with scientific evidence, but also with spiritual experience. A way that is called Vedic Science. Vedic Science is the science of consciousness that was revealed by the Supreme Lord to the sages and seers of ancient India. It is based on the Vedas, which are the oldest and most authoritative scriptures in Hinduism. The Vedas contain various branches of knowledge, such as astronomy, astrology, mathematics, medicine, grammar, philosophy, ethics, art, music, and literature. Among these branches, one of the most important and relevant for our topic is cosmology. Vedic cosmology is the study of the structure and dynamics of the universe according to the Vedas. It describes how the universe was created, how it is maintained, how it evolves, how it will end, and how it will begin again. It also describes the different dimensions and levels of existence within the universe, such as the material world, the subtle world, and the spiritual world. It also describes the different types of living beings that inhabit these worlds, such as humans, animals, plants, demigods, demons, ghosts, angels, sages, saints, and God. One of the most fascinating aspects of Vedic cosmology is its concept of time. According to Vedic science, time is not linear or absolute, but cyclical and relative. There are different cycles of time that govern different aspects of creation and destruction in the universe. These cycles range from very small to very large scales. For example, there are cycles of day and night that last for 24 hours. There are cycles of seasons that last for 6 months. There are cycles of years that last for 12 months. There are cycles of yugas that last for millions of years. There are cycles of manvantaras that last for billions of years. There are cycles of kalpas that last for trillions of years. And there are cycles of mahakalpas that last for quadrillions of years. These cycles are not random or arbitrary, but follow a precise mathematical formula that can be calculated using Vedic units of time. For example, 1 second in Vedic time is called a truti. 100 trutis make 1 veda. 3 vedas make 1 lava. 3 lavas make 1 nimesha. 3 nimeshas make 1 ksana. 5 ksanas make 1 kasta. 5 kastas make 1 lagu. 5 lagus make 1 nadika. 2 nadikas make 1 muhurta. 30 muhurtas make 1 day and night or ahoratra, and so on. Using these units of time, we can calculate how long each cycle lasts in human years. For example, 1 yuga cycle consists of 4 yugas: Satya Yuga, 1.728 million years; Treta Yuga, 1.296 million years; Dwapara Yuga, 0.864 million years; and Kali Yuga, 0.432 million years. The total duration of one yuga cycle is 4.32 million human years. One Manvantara cycle consists of 71 yuga cycles, plus some extra time for transitions. The total duration of one Manvantara cycle is 306.72 million human years. One Kalpa cycle consists of 14 Manvantara cycles, plus some extra time for creation and dissolution. The total duration of one Kalpa cycle is 4.32 billion human years. One Mahakalpa cycle consists of 1,000 Kalpa cycles. The total duration of one Mahakalpa cycle is 4.32 trillion human years. These cycles are not only applicable to the Earth, but also to the entire universe. According to Vedic science, the universe is governed by a supreme being called Brahma, who is the creator and maintainer of the material world. He lives in a planet called Brahmaloka, which is located at the top of the universe. He has a lifespan of 100 Brahma years, each consisting of 360 Brahma days and nights. Each Brahma day and night is equal to one Kalpa cycle. During his day, he creates and sustains the universe. During his night, he withdraws and destroys the universe. The lifespan of Brahma is also the lifespan of the universe. When Brahma dies, the universe also dies. This period is called a Mahakalpa, or a great dissolution. After this period, a new Brahma is born and a new universe is created. This cycle repeats endlessly, without beginning or end. So how old is our universe according to Vedic science? Well, it depends on which cycle we are referring to. If we are referring to the current Mahakalpa cycle, then we can calculate the age of the universe using the following formula. Age of the universe: 50 times 720 times 1000, plus 6 times 71, plus 7 times 0.4, plus 27 times 1, plus 0.4, plus 0.3, plus 0.2, plus 0.1, times 0.002. This is expressed in terms of yuga cycles, which can be multiplied by 4.32 million to get the age in human years. The first term represents the number of yuga cycles that have passed in the first half of Brahma's lifespan, 50 Brahma years. The second term represents the number of yuga cycles that have passed in the current Manvantara cycle, the seventh one. The third term represents the number of extra yuga cycles that have passed in the transitions between Manvantaras, the Sandhyas and Sandhyamsas. The fourth term represents the number of yuga cycles that have passed in the current yuga cycle, the 28th one. The fifth term represents the fraction of yuga cycles that have passed in the previous yugas, Satya, Treta, and Dwapara. The sixth term represents the fraction of yuga cycles that have passed in the current yuga, Kali. The result is expressed in terms of yuga cycles, which we can multiply by 4.32 million to get the age in human years. The final answer is age of the universe, 155, 521, 972, 944 million human years. That's right. According to Vedic science, our universe is more than 155 trillion years old. But wait, there's more. If we are referring to the entire cycle of creation and destruction of universes, then we have to consider not only Brahma, but also Vishnu and Shiva. Vishnu is the Supreme Lord who lies beyond the material world and manifests himself as Brahma and other demigods. Shiva is the destroyer who annihilates everything at the end of each Mahakalpa cycle. According to Vedic science, each Mahakalpa cycle is also equal to one breath of Vishnu. When Vishnu exhales, he creates thousands of universes and breathes life into them through Brahma and other demigods. When Vishnu inhales, he withdraws and destroys all these universes through Shiva and other agents. The duration of one breath of Vishnu is also equal to one Mahakalpa cycle, which is 4.32 trillion human years. However, Vishnu has no limit or measure to his breathing. He breathes eternally, without beginning or end. Therefore, there is no way to calculate how many breaths he has taken or how many universes he has created or destroyed. So how old is our universe according to this perspective? Well, it is impossible to say. Our universe is just one among countless universes that have come and gone in the infinite breaths of Vishnu. So what does this mean for us? It means that we are living in a very small and insignificant part of a very large and mysterious reality. It means that we are very ignorant and limited in our understanding and perception of the universe and its history. It means that we need to be humble and curious about the secrets and mysteries that lie beyond our senses and logic. It also means that we are very fortunate and blessed to have the opportunity to learn from the Vedic Science and the Vedic scriptures. The Vedas are not ordinary books, but the words of God Himself, who has revealed His knowledge and wisdom to the sages and seers of ancient India. The Vedas are not meant to contradict or oppose modern science, but to complement and enhance it. The Vedas are not meant to confuse or mislead us, but to enlighten and guide us. The Vedas offer us a holistic and comprehensive view of the universe and its history, as well as our own origin and destiny. The Vedas teach us that we are not just material bodies, but spiritual souls who are part and parcel of Vishnu, the Supreme Lord. The Vedas teach us that we are not meant to suffer and struggle in this temporary and illusory world, but to enjoy and serve in the eternal and real world. The Vedas teach us that we are not alone or isolated in this vast and mysterious cosmos, but connected and related to all living beings who are our brothers and sisters. The Vedas teach us how to live in harmony with nature, with ourselves, and with God. The Vedas teach us how to attain the highest goal of life, which is love of God. The Vedas teach us how to transcend the cycles of birth and death and reach the abode of Vishnu, where there is no more pain or sorrow, but only bliss and joy. So what are you waiting for? If you want to know more about the Vedic science and the Vedic cosmology, then I invite you to explore the links that I have provided in the description below. You will find some amazing books, articles, videos, and websites that will give you more information and insights into this fascinating topic. You will also find some resources that will help you practice the Vedic lifestyle and spirituality, which will enrich your life and elevate your consciousness. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new and interesting. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, let me know in the comments section below what you think about the Vedic science and the Vedic cosmology. Do you agree or disagree with it? Do you have any questions or doubts about it? Do you have any suggestions or requests for future videos? I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Namaste.